Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Breville Oracle espresso machine. Now we're gonna be testing out this machine starting with one shot of espresso, and here we go. Hopefully we pick up the right pronunciation of this machine, otherwise we're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. As you can see, the boiler now is at 200 degrees. There's only 6 seconds on perfusion, and the machine is going all the way to the pressure gauge the way it's supposed to go. As you can see, it's on the espresso side, 9 bars. There's a nice extraction coming out of the machine, really good flow. Good quantity of coffee as well. That is how they custom program this machine. And as you can see, nice shot of espresso, really good color, working really well. Steam of the boiler, machine steam is working extremely well, having really good pressure coming out of the steam one. No leaks coming inside the boiler or anything, and the hot water is working perfectly fine with a nice steady stream coming out of the one, and with a good temperature and looking great. And as you saw, the gauge went all the way up, the extraction was great, and the flow of the machine looks amazing. And there you have it. So thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day, and thanks for watching.